This is Suraj from Keyboard X, and this video is about the parallel-symmetry method. Now, before we actually implement directly playing all parallel and symmetry, you had to divide it into 3 different components. So first, increasing an octave. We end the ascending with our little finger and then come back. So we would, instead of using a little finger, use thumb to increase an octave. So again, if I have to increase one more octave instead of little finger, thumb, because this becomes much more easier. On the left hand, however, we end on our thumb, so continue the same way. While descending, however, we use the little finger for the root note, so instead of that you would shift thumb, and if I want to increase one more octave below that, again the same rule. So in scales like the C major, it's easier to play in the mirror image because of the finger positions. So in these scales you would first try out the symmetry method, which would be like 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. If I have to increase one more octave, again instead of ending on a little finger, we use thumb, increase more. Now, if we have completed the symmetry method, we move to the parallel method. In scales like the C sharp major, it would be easier for us to practice the parallel method and then move to the symmetry method because of the same, almost the same kind of fingering. So the parallel method would be this way. Make sure that you are using the same fingering when using both the hands as you are using for individual hands. So in this method, it is a little tricky on the subdominant and the dominant note, but go slow. That's the main key. That's the key basically. Now once we are done with all the 3 methods combined, then here how it goes. Even use this method for all the other modes of the major scale, something like the Dorian, Phrygian, Mixolydian, Lydian, and whatever it is. Now, apart from that, you would also try it on all the notes, on all the other scales like the harmonic minor, and on the melodic minor. Now, among these, the melodic minor is the more trickier because the 7th note and the 6th note are different while ascending and descending. So, we are trying it on G melodic minor. Go slow, that is the key, and it will also help you understand stuff better. It will also help you a lot of things basically. You will understand things better and you will be playing correct. 3rd note minor only, then the natural minor scale. Okay, so this was the general practice. You can try it on all the scales, most of the scales, except for the chromatic scale. However, let me choose a chromatic, a good lead. In chromatic scale, you don't need to actually play all the 12 notes before you start coming back and implementing the symmetry mode. You can actually introduce a phase difference on the tritone note or a flattened 5th. From there onwards you can actually continue. So it would be this way. General. Now symmetry you would be trying out both separately, but when you are playing all together it would be parallel from tritone or the flattened 5th symmetry. So it would be this way. will be looking at the arpeggios section next time.